So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mesh from TechMesh and today I'm going to show you that how you can get your Android mobile messages on your computer. Maybe you are using your computer and you want to get the message you are getting on your smartphone onto your PC, and I will show you exactly how you can do that. So let me show you. First you need to go to any browser and just go to messages.google.com. Then you would find an interface like this. Then click on messages for web, and after clicking here, then you can see you would get a QR code here on your computer. You need to scan the QR code from your smartphone, and also in your Android smartphone you need to use the default Google Messages application. So let me show you. So here you can see this is my messages application. And if you don't have your message application, if you are using Samsung or other devices, then just go to Play Store and search for Google Messages, and then just install the messages and then give it all the permission. And if you have messages like me, then just go to your Google Message, and after going to your Google Message, then tap on this three dot icon, and then here you need to click on device pairing and then just tap on here. And now you need to just scan the QR code. It is showing on your computer, and after scanning the QR code, then here you can see it is saying you are all set. Now your PC should redirect to your messages, and all of your mobile messages would show here. And if you don't want to do it every time you don't want to scan it, then just click on remember, and here you can see that all of my messages from my mobile is showing on my computer as well. So, and also I can start new conversation from my PC as well. So that's it. That's how you can get all of your mobile messages to your PC. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any question or any suggestion, then let me know that in the comment section below. And also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mesh from TechMesh, and I'm signing out.